Welcome back to Shaving Down Under. I'm Doug, and we have another unboxing here. Not quite sure what this one is. Oh, maybe I do. Maybe I don't. Wow, this is done up tight with glad wrap. Cling wrap, whatever you like to call it. Right, yeah, we have some initials on the front. V-E-E. On the back. I think that says sterling silver. Hard to read. And we open up. Oh, yeah, I do know what this is. I'd forgotten all about this, people. I'm pretty sure this is what it is. This is one really cool razor. I can get the cling wrap off. I've done a huge job with the cling wrap. I'm probably making this harder than what it really needs to be. Right, so I think these are called a Rainer. I'm pretty sure that they're made in... No, I'm not pretty sure. I think they were made in Mexico. They are made of, I think it's sterling silver. And these aren't exactly cheap, and they don't come on the market too often. Unravel. Sorry this is taking so long. And the cling wrap does what it's supposed to do, and that is cling. So that's just, let me put some stuff down so that focuses. That's just solid sterling silver. So, yep. Rainer. I can't read that there. You might be able to read that. I don't have a very good angle on the camera here. So I think it's just a little travel razor, but just opulent travel razor. Got a fair bit of heft in weight. This is heavier than this is. This might be double the weight of the Diplomat. You can see the size difference. But I've been wanting one of these for a while. I think I got it last year. A lot of this stuff has been with Dan for a long time, till I was able to get some money together and send it over to Australia. So just a beautiful razor. Whoever had it, that was their initials, or maybe their name, V. Just yes, Mexico. I think it says Sterling, Mexico. But yeah, beautiful razor, and I'm so rapt to have this, and I just can't wait to shave with it. Beautiful razor, absolutely beautiful razor. Right, see what else we got here. Right, I have no idea. Ah, beautiful. Blades for my Gillette knife. Lovely. Sealed. The box is still intact. That's excellent. And very well packaged. Don't know if that was Dan's doing or the original, the seller. But yeah, it's still got the cellophane on it. Excellent. Excellent. Wonderful stuff. Oh, I'm going to leave it at that, and then we'll do this one separately. Thanks for sticking around. If you've got any, if you own one of these, Rainer from Mexico, if you've shaved with one, please let me know in the description. If you've, yeah, and if you've read the book as well, let me know. Ciao for now.